Welcome back to 22 It's official Chatredi. Today, we're diving into a juicy, spicy and totally irresistible recipe, Indian-style juicy meatballs, perfect for dinner, parties or even your next meal prep session. And guess what? It's done in just 5 minutes. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need. 500 minced chicken or mutton, 1 chopped onion, 2 teaspoons ginger garlic paste, fresh coriander and mint, 1 egg, 2 teaspoons roasted gram flour, besan, 1 red chili powder, 2 turmeric, 1 garam masala, salt to taste. Mix everything together until well combined. Now shape them into cute little balls, not too big, not too small, perfect bite size. Heat 2 teaspoons oil in a non-stick pan. Once hot, gently place the meatballs and cook on medium heat. Keep flipping them every 2-3 minutes for even browning. You'll see them turn golden, juicy, and bursting with aroma. Let them cook for 10-12 minutes or until fully done. Optionally, you can simmer them in spicy tomato gravy for a North Indian-style curry twist. Serve them hot with naan, paratha or even over a bed of steaming jeera rice. These meatballs are spicy, juicy and loaded with Indian masalas you'll crave again and again. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to 22 It's official Chatredi.